about divisibility of different numbers. We studied about 10, we studied about 2, we studied about 5, and we also studied about 9 and 3. At the time, how to test the divisibility of two numbers. How to test the divisibility of two numbers. Yes? Okay. Now, before we start our examples, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay, we'll start with a short prayer. All of you close your eyes. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, we are praying to the Lord for our wellness and for our academics. Okay, now we'll move on to our academics now. Okay, children. In our book, they given so many examples. Okay, we'll solve it one by one and we'll move on to our exercise. Okay, first example, we are doing what? We are checking the divisibility. We are checking divisibility. First example, check the divisibility of 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7 by what number? By 9. Okay, I told you how to check the divisibility. Okay, what we have to do here? We have to add the numbers. We have to add the numbers. First one, we'll solve it for step by step. Okay, first expand this number and add this number. Okay, first 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Add these all numbers. How much we get? 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 plus 4 will be what? 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3 will be 10. 10 plus 16. 16 plus 21. 21 plus 8. How much? 29. 29 plus 7 will be 36. Yes? 36. We got how much? We got the answer 36. Now check the 36 is divisible by 9 or no. 36 is divisible by 9 or no? Check it. Yes, it is divisible by 9. Okay. 9 4s are 36. So, how much are? 9s are? Yes. In the 9 table we can divide. We get 4. So, yes. This number is divisible by 9. How the? ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು when they give a 9 and 3. Okay, when they give 9 and 3 we have to check by this method, or if we get it to so many numbers, if they give so many numbers, then we have to check by this method. Understood? Okay, we'll move on to the next example. They given one more examples there. Okay, one more example we have. First one, 1, 5, 2, 8, 7, 5 by 7, 5 by what number? 9. By what number? 9. Okay, now we have to expand the number. We have to separate the numbers. We have to separate the number first. Okay, 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9. How much we get? Add, start adding, children. 1 plus 5 will be 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 will be 16. 16 plus 7 will be what? The total answer is what? 28. Now check 28 is divisible by 9 or no. In 9 table we have 28. Check. You all know the tables now? You all know the tables now? Check it. If not, yes, you are starting. You are checking. Yes. In the 9 table we don't have 28. So what is the answer? It is not divisible by 9. It's not divisible by 9. Yes? Okay. We'll move on to the next one. We'll move on to the next sums. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. Okay, they will miss one number. In that place, they will give alphabet. They will give alphabet. We have to find that number. And after that, after finding the number, we have to check it is divisible or no. Okay, we'll do that type of examples now. In your book, they given C. We'll solve that examples only because it will help us. Okay, it will help alphabet. We have to check divisible of what number they given? Divisible by 9 or no. We have to check, and after that they are telling that find the value of x. Value of x. We have to find the value of x, and after that we have to check the divisibility of 9. Okay, we'll start it now. 24x is equals to 9. Okay, now question hingada. Okay, this is the solution. 24x. Now what we have to do? We have to expand this number. We'll start expanding. 2 plus 4 plus x is equals to what? Divisibility in kotirtalla, that number we have to write here. Which is the divisible number na? That number is equals to that number. If 3 they given, we have to write 3 here. If they given 5, we have to write 5. 6. Okay? Depends on divisibility number what they give, that number we have to write. Okay, children, understood now? We have expanded the number. We will start adding. 2 plus 4 will be what? 6 plus x is equals to 9 bantade. Now one equation bantide. ಹೌದಾ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ equation find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. They told us to find out the value of x. They told us to find out the value of x. So what we have to do? We have to take x out. We have to take x out. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x ಇದ್ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ x in. So I will take x out. Okay? Okay? I will move this 6 to this side. I will move this 6 to this side. This sign plus idhi kade move adag enagute minus. It will change always. It will change to minus. Plus idhi minus akiti, minus idhi plus akiti. Okay, I am shifting this number to this side. And sign also shifting. Okay. Now x is equals to how much? 9 minus 6 will be how much? 3. Yes, we got the answer 3. We got the answer x. X value we got. ಓಕೆ ಇದು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಓಕೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ನೌ 2 4 x ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 is equals to 9 now we'll separate it 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 9 add these two numbers 2 plus 1 will be 6 plus 3 will be 9 so 9 is divisible by 9 itself. 9 ones are 9. Yes, it is a divisible by 9. The answer is what? Yes, it is divisible. What we did, we'll explain it one more time, children. What they given? They given a question 24x is divisible by 9 or no? We have to check. Okay, and they are telling find out the value of x. They given an alphabet here. We have to find out the value of this. Now we write like this only 24x and they are telling divisible of 9. So I am taking divisible of 9 here is equals to 9. Now we will separate this number. We will expand the number. 2 plus 4 plus x is like that only I am writing is equals to 9. Okay. And after that add these two number 2 plus 4 will be what? 6. X is same I am writing here and 9 also same here writing. And after that what we have to do? They are not telling us to find out the equation. They are telling us to find out the value of x. So I am taking x out. I am taking x out. So this 6 will move to that side. This plus will move on to the minus sign. Yes? Okay. Now 6, 9 minus 6. What is the answer? X is equals to 3. We got the answer. X is equals to 3. That x value I am putting in the equation. So x iddare ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನಾನೀಗ 3 ಹಾಕಿದೆ. So we got 243. Yes, we got what? 243. ಇದನ್ನ expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 9. 2 plus 4 plus 3 will be 9. So we got 9 answer. 9 divisible of 9 ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. 9 divisible by 9 9 ones are 9. So yes, 9 is divisible by 9. Okay? Understood how to find out the value of x and how to find out the divisibility? Okay, this type examples they will give us to find out the value of x or any other alphabet they will give. Not only x, they will give other alphabets also. Okay. In your book they given say try these also. They are given a try these. You have to try by yourself. The divisibility test by 9. The number 9. They given 5 examples. They given 5 sums you have to try by yourself. Okay, this is the homework for you. 5 examples they given. Test of divisibility by 9. The number 9. You have to expand it. After that add it and test whether it is divided by 9 or no. Simple thing. And we'll move on to the next sum. Divisibility by 3. Next sum. Question is 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 8, 7. Divisibility by 3. Whether it is divisible or no, we have to check. Okay, we'll expand it now. Same thing. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 is equals to what? Add now. What we get? 2 plus 1 will be 3, 3 plus 4 will be 7, 7 plus 6 will be what? 13, 13 plus 5 will be 18, 18 plus 18 will be what? 26, yes? Okay. Next 26 plus 7 will be 33, 33. We got what? 33. How the? Either 33 divisible by 3 or no, we have to check. Yes? How the? 3 11s are how much? 33. So yes, it is. Divisible by 3. Simple na? Just we are expanding it. After that we are adding. After added we are checking that in that table it's there or no. That answer is there or no. If it's not, then write it no, it is not divisible. If it's there, then we have to write yes, it is divisible by 3 or no. Okay, other number. We'll move on to our exercise now. Yes. We'll move on to our exercise. Exercise number 1.2. And in your book, they given one more try this also. Finding the divisibility by 3. That time they given finding the divisibility of 9. Here they given a finding the divisibility of 3. Okay. Try this also. How many homeworks? Today's homework. What is the homework today's? You have to try page number 11. Try this. These 5 sums, okay. After that, and page number 12, try this 5 sums, okay. Totally 10 sums, okay. You got 10 sums to solve. Please try it and send me the answers. We'll move on to our exercise number 1.2. Please copy this homework. Exercise number 1.2. First sum, okay, we'll read it. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, okay, what is the value of y? Where they given a number, okay, 21y5, okay, they given a 21y5 is multiple of 9. They are telling us to find out the divisibility of 9. And they are telling find out the value of y. They are telling find out the value of 9. Okay, we'll solve it. First question, 21y5. We have to find the divisibility of 9. This is the question. And they are telling find out the value of y. Find out the value of y. After that, test whether it is divisible of 9 or no. Okay. Now, we'll start. Okay. Y place ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಈ y place find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. After that we have to check it is divisible of 9 or no. Okay. First we'll expand it. Start expanding. 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equals to 9. Just given number 9 ಮಾಡಿದೆ expand ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. Separate ಮಾಡಿ ಬರದೆ. We'll start adding now. Add it. 2 plus 1 will be what? 3 plus y plus 5 is equals to 9. Now again I will add these two numbers. 8 plus y is equals to 9. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೀಗ equation ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ equation ಬೇಡ, ನಮಗೆ value of y ಬೇಕು. So I will take y out. I will take y, ಇದನ್ನ y ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆನಾ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇದೇನಾತ 8 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆತ, ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್. Okay, y I will take now out 9 minus 8. y value ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತ ನಮಗೆ 9 minus 8 will be what 1. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತ y value ಸಿಕ್ತ ಹೌದಾ ನಮಗೆ y value ಸಿಕ್ತ ಈ y value ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ y value ಸಿಕ್ತ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತ ನನಗೆ y value 1 ಸಿಕ್ತ ಹೌದಾ ಈಗ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು will move on to sum now divisibility test will move on to our divisibility test okay 2 1 y the ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ 1 5 is equals to 9 separate again this procedure here also I will do 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 is equals to 9 and now 2 plus 1 will be 3 3 plus 1 will be what 4 4 plus 5 will be 9 9 is equals to 9 9 is equals to 9 ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಹೌದಾ ಈಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ is it divided by 9 9 is divided by 9 yes it is divided by 9 yes in 9 table we have 9 9 ones are 9 yes it is divisible by yes it is divisible by 9 okay children understood how to solve please step by step I want all the steps correctly yes all the steps I want and one more thing please do this procedure also when you are solving the sum it shows the solution it shows this sign shows the solutions okay the is equal to sign shows that you are solving the sums in step by step way okay and the last one doing this that what I told you doing this not shows 11 number 11 and ತೋರಿಸುದಿಲ್ಲ that shows the accurate answer what you did that is correct it shows the accurate answer okay ಇವೆಲ್ಲ symbols ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು when you are solving mathematics these all are the basics of mathematics children ಹಂಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದೆಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬತ್ತಾ ಮುಗೀತು ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ okay understood how to find out the y value and how to find out the divisibility of 9 okay we'll move on to the next sum now please copy it in your classwork children second sum we'll move on to the second sum second one 3 1 Z5 divisible of 9 we have to check divisible of 9 same number they given divisible of 9 only they given okay divisible of 9 okay now 3 1 Z5 we have to find out the value of a Z and after that we have to find out divisibility of 9 okay first 3 1 Z5 is equals to 9 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸೊ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಓಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು that is we have to write okay now so explanation 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equals to 9 ಹೌದಾ 3 plus 1 will be 4 plus z plus 5 is equals to 9 now this will be 9 plus z is equals to 9 ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 9 ಬಂತು ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ z ಅವೇನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಂಗೆ ಅವು ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ okay I will take z out this 9 I will move here this sign also I will move here okay is equals to 9 minus 9 z is equals to what we got 0 ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ yes we got what 0 in the z place we got 0 ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಈ z ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದರ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 3 1 z ಇದರ 0 5 is equals to 9 explanation same way 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 9 3 plus 1 will be 4 4 plus 0 will be 0 0 plus 5 will be 9 is equals to 9 again we got 9 children in the previous exam also example also we got 9 and this exam also we got 9 only check yes ones are 9 ones are 9 yes it is also divisible by 9. Understood how to solve the sums? Yes. How to solve the sums? Understood, children? Both the cases we got divisibility. In both the cases we got what? Divisibility. We got divisibility. Okay. We'll solve the remaining two sums in the next class. Yes. In the next class we'll solve. If you understood, if you got the answer, solve it by yourself. We'll see the in the next class. Okay, children. See you tomorrow. Bye.